Hi everyone, my name is Kenichi Korompis. In this video, I will tell about the impact of global warming. More than hundreds of articles have discussed the impact of global warming, which from year to year is increasing its impact on the Earth. The melting of the North Pole ice makes seawater rise, covering the plains and causing flooding and huge losses for many countries and regions. As a result of this, the United Nations issued about a warning to the Earth's population that humans have less than 10 years to mitigate the biggest catastrophe caused by the global warming today. And United Nations members will encourage countries to increase their target of reducing greenhouse gases. Are you curious about the change that occurred due to the global warming? Here are some interesting climate change facts. Global warming occurs due to the emission of carbon dioxide gas from the greenhouse effect or ERK from human activities. This ERK event traps some of the sun's heat in the Earth's atmosphere. This is caused by human activities such as the use of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas. An increase in the Earth's temperature of 7 degrees Celsius by 2100 puts the Earth under threat because an increase of 1 degree Celsius can cause heat waves, drought, floods, and tropical cyclones. Higher temperatures cause the ice sheet to melt and eventually accelerate global warming. The existence of the glacier or ice pack is very important. In fact, as of Sunday, 22 September 2019, the Pisol Glacier in the Glarus Mountains, eastern Switzerland, has lost 80% of its volume. If the melting rate of glacier increases, then the rapid rise in sea levels will impact about 50 million people living in low-lying coastal areas and major world cities, such as London, New York, and Shanghai. Another phenomenon is that the Arctic ice has decreased by 12% per decade over the last 40 years. Carbon dioxide is one of the most common gases produced by human activities. In fact, the level of atmospheric carbon dioxide in March 2019 was around 411.97 parts per million of gas, and it is still increasing today. It is estimated that about 1 million animal species are threatened with extinction due to climate change. If extinction occurs, it will have an impact on changes in the ecosystem, in the life of the world. There are many causes of global warming, and many people still do not realize how dangerous is global warming. Here are 6 causes of global warming. Vehicles are already familiar to humans. Humans have used vehicles as transportation from one place to another. Vehicles have many types such as motorized vehicles or bicycles. Motorized vehicles is a vehicle that is powered by an engine. The engine requires gasoline to function. When the engine is functioning, the machine will remove and release carbon and pollutants into the air, so the air quality decreases. Industrial activity is the starting point for the massive increase in temperature from year to year. The shift of agriculture based to industrial economies in various parts of the world has contributed to a large number of increases in global warming. A study shows that global warming was started largely by industrial revolution in America in the mid-19th century. Until now, almost all industrial-based countries have contributed on a large scale to the cause of global warming. The carbon content produced as a result of industrial activities was 412 parts per million in the last 150 years. Carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide have caused the increase in the Earth's temperature for over the last 50 years. The International Energy Agency reported that between 2000 and 2016, the country that contributed the first to the largest carbon dioxide emission was the people of Republic of China. Meanwhile, Indonesia is in 6th place after Russia with a value of 2053 billion tons. Generating electricity, which is the main daily necessity of humans, also contributes to a large global impact on climate change. All power plants have varying impacts on air, water, and oil conditions. Producing electricity requires fuel, which then releases various gases such as carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide will then cause the greenhouse effect, so that everyone actually produces a carbon footprint that contributes to global warming. Although it is rarely campaigned, animal husbandry also contributes to increasing global warming in various ways. Caring for large numbers of livestock, such as livestock, creates a huge amount of waste which produces methane. Humans have a consumptive nature to meet various necessities of life. However, the excessive nature of consuming an item also has a negative impact on the environment. Reporting from the Reuse This Bag, the products used by humans contribute 60% of greenhouse gas producers. The Earth has what is called the Earth blanket. The Earth blanket is the layers of atmosphere that protects the Earth from the sun's ultraviolet rays or steroids that approach the Earth. Earth's atmosphere is composed of 78% nitrogen gas, 21% oxygen, 0.93% argon gas, and 0.032% carbon dioxide gas, and small amounts of other gases. This component is the component suitable for life on Earth. Carbon dioxide gas emissions are getting bigger from year to year. As a result, the ozone layer is getting thinner and the temperature on the Earth is getting warmer. Why can? Infrared radiation, which is a form of reflection of sunlight by clouds and the Earth's surface, will be absorbed and captured by greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, so as not to leave the atmosphere. When absorbing carbon dioxide, it will vibrate. This is what makes the Earth warmer, because the more greenhouse gases, the more infrared radiation is absorbed. Carbon dioxide emissions from year to year are getting bigger and increasingly affect the temperature of the Earth. The source of global emission that produces the largest carbon dioxide gas is coal burning by 43%. The development of carbon dioxide has exceeded the standards required by our Earth's atmosphere. This amount of carbon dioxide can make the atmosphere thinner. The Earth and its citizens will lose its protection from the sun's ultraviolet rays. This is certainly a crisis that cannot be tolerated. Therefore, the United Nations has made a warning that carbon dioxide emission must be reduced from now on. The following are data on the increase in carbon dioxide emissions and the Earth's temperature from 2010 to 2014. Based on the two data above, it can be seen that the larger or smaller the carbon dioxide emissions will affect the Earth's temperature. From these two data, it can be seen that the greater the carbon dioxide emission will affect the Earth's temperature and make the Earth's temperature rise or fall in temperature. Why is that the greater the emission of carbon dioxide will further affect the temperatures on Earth? Because on Earth there is such thing as an atmosphere layer that protects the Earth and limits the sunlight that enters the Earth so that it can suit the needs of the human body. If this layer of atmosphere is getting thinner, there will be less and less sunlight absorbed. The increasing carbon dioxide gas makes the atmosphere thinner due to human activity, which produce carbon dioxide gas and throws the compound into the atmosphere so that carbon dioxide gas becomes excessive in the atmosphere and makes the atmosphere more and more thinning out. As adult Christian students, there are several things we can do or respond to in our response to the problem of global warming, namely reducing the use of motorized vehicles, planting trees, conserving the use of plastics, and so on. We as Christian disciples must protect and care for what God has entrusted to us, namely the earth. The earth is not only used for its natural resources, but the earth must also be cared for because God has entrusted it to us humans. Indonesia has compiled a nationally determined contribution, or what is called NDC, signed in Paris in 2015, which states that Indonesia will be able to reduce carbon dioxide emissions by 2030 by 29% if doing business as usual. However, Indonesia will be able to reduce carbon dioxide by 41% if it gets support and cooperates internationally. The government wants the nationally determined contribution, or NDC, contribution to be carried out according to point 5 of Nawacita, namely the quality of life Indonesian people. To fulfill this, the Fiscal Policy Agency, or BKF, of the Ministry of Finance has formulated several things that have been done and will be accelerated, including: first, forming a public service agency government agent that is devoted to managing environmental funds in the context of climate change with the Minister of the Environment. Second, in the APBN, funds have been allocated for matters related to climate change, or the so-called climate budget tagging. 3. Producing the first green sukuk in the world, which will be tied to Indonesian projects and programs to reduce pollution. 4. Providing incentives for projects that have a commitment to green, can be renewable, geothermal energy, and others taken from the state budget. As a society, we must cooperate with the government because the government issues or states a policy is for the good and interest of our nation. Cooperate with the government is like saving on the use of plastics, motorized vehicles, and air conditioning. As entrepreneurs, we can reduce or limit motorized vehicles that can produce carbon dioxide gas, such as motorized vehicles, and increase the production of engineless vehicles, such as bicycles. By limiting the sale of motorized vehicles, it can reduce motor vehicles use. That way, we as entrepreneurs have been very helpful to the government in terms of reducing additional carbon dioxide gas emissions. From the explanation above, we can know that carbon dioxide emissions can be very dangerous for the earth and the humans who live in it. We also know that what are the effects on the earth. As for our responses as mature Christian students, government, society, and entrepreneurs, it teaches us that no matter what, we can still help reduce carbon dioxide emissions that threaten the earth as well as us. So let's start helping each other so that the additional carbon dioxide emissions can be reduced and return our earth to cleaner earth than before.